Do you want to understand real English conversations at a restaurant?
Or maybe you feel nervous ordering food in English.
Today, you'll listen to a simple and natural English conversation about ordering food, choosing a meal, and enjoying dinner at a restaurant.
This lesson is perfect for beginners who want to improve listening and speaking naturally.
Let's get started. Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Everyday English Learning.
Today, we're talking about restaurants and ordering food in English.
You'll hear useful English expressions people use every day.
Let's begin. Good evening. Welcome to our restaurant.
Thank you.
Can I get you something to drink?
Yes, I'd like a glass of orange juice, please.
Of course.
Thank you.
Are you ready to order?
Not yet. Can I see the menu?
Certainly.
Everything looks delicious.
Our burgers are very popular.
Really?
Yes, customers love them.
Then I'll try the cheeseburger.
Excellent choice. Do you enjoy eating out?
Yes, especially on weekends.
What's your favorite food?
Probably pizza.
Good choice.
What about you?
I love pasta.
Italian food is amazing.
I agree.
Do you cook at home?
Sometimes.
Are you a good cook?
Not really.
At least you're honest.
What do you enjoy cooking?
Simple meals.
That's smart.
Have you ever had an embarrassing restaurant experience?
Oh, yes.
What happened?
I accidentally ordered the spiciest dish on the menu.
No way.
My face turned red immediately. My friend just stared. I drank 3 glasses of water.
That's hilarious.
What about you?
I once dropped my fork on the floor 3 times.
3 times?
Yes,
That's impressive.
everyone was watching. We all laughed about it later.
Sometimes funny moments make great memories.
Absolutely. Thank you so much for listening today.
We hope you enjoyed today's English conversation.
Remember, you don't need perfect English.
Just keep listening and practicing every day.
Little by little, your English will improve. See you in the next lesson.
Bye, everyone.
Take care.